ADITYA L1, India's first mission to study Sun, is expected to provide deeper understanding of coronal heating and solar wind acceleration, coupling and dynamics of the solar atmosphere, solar wind distribution and temperature anisotropy, and initiation of coronal mass ejections, flares, and near-Earth space weather. The ADITYA L1 mission has various uniqueness. The mission will provide, for the first time, spatially resolved solar disk in near UV band and observe CME dynamics very close to the solar disk. The mission will have onboard intelligence to detect CMEs and solar flares and provide directional and energy anisotropy of solar wind. The ADITYA L1 mission is unique in its capabilities. The mission probes the dynamics of the coronal mass ejection close to the solar disk, which provides information on the acceleration regime of the coronal mass ejection. The mission also captures the information on the energy distribution, flux, and directionality of the solar wind. This also enables getting early information on the space weather events.